People who lack social skills usually grew up with parents who did these 9 things. They discouraged open communication. When parents dismiss children's communication, kids learn silence, lose confidence, and struggle expressing thoughts, leading to distant social interactions. They modeled poor social behavior. Children mimic parents' harsh, interrupting, or avoidant behavior, depriving them of empathy and listening skills, undermining future relationships. They overprotected their children. Overprotection denies children real-world challenges, leaving them inexperienced, anxious, and hesitant in group settings and new social risks. They ignored emotional needs. Dismissing children's feelings teaches them to hide emotions, hindering empathy and openness, resulting in shallow, strained adult relationships. They place too much pressure on achievement. Emphasizing grades and trophies makes children competitive, not cooperative, causing adults to view peers as rivals and struggle connecting. They fail to set healthy boundaries. Lacking clear boundaries confuses children about personal limits, causing adults to either overstep or be exploited, undermining trust. They did not encourage play and peer interaction. Restricting playdates robs children of sharing, negotiation, and cooperation lessons, causing adults to avoid group activities due to discomfort. They used harsh criticism regularly. Regular harsh criticism undermines self-esteem, fostering insecurity and fear of judgment that hinders speaking up and forming bonds. They withheld affection. Withholding hugs, praise, and comfort teaches children that closeness is unsafe, leading adults to struggle with trust and affection.